Welcome to TechVerse, your ultimate destination for cutting-edge tech insights. Today, we're exploring the all-new Samsung A56, a device that exemplifies Samsung's relentless drive to push the boundaries of smartphone technology by blending advanced features with sleek design and user-friendly interfaces. And as part of its ambitious approach to lead the industry, the upcoming Samsung A56 is set to shake up the market with impressive features that rival professional camera gear, offer extensive battery life, and present a refreshing design approach that redefines mobile photography, gaming, and media consumption. This device promises to deliver an unparalleled photography experience, thanks to its groundbreaking 300MP DSLR-Like camera paired with advanced image processing technology that brings professional quality photography directly to your fingertips. While its outstanding 7,700 mAh battery ensures that battery anxiety becomes a thing of the past by powering you through long hours of use without frequent recharges, making it ideal for extended gaming sessions, media consumption, and everyday tasks. One of the most innovative aspects of the Samsung A56 is its mini display, which offers an entirely new way to interact with a smartphone by maximizing screen space in a compact form factor, challenging the conventional notion of what a mini display can deliver in terms of functionality and user experience. The A56 is packed with cutting-edge technology, and in this review, we'll delve into its legacy, design, specifications, camera features, display quality, and much more, exploring how the 300MP camera, the mini display, and the massive 7,700 mAh battery combine to make this device a formidable contender in today's competitive market. Samsung's legacy in the smartphone industry is unmatched, having evolved from its early days in the late 1990s to becoming a global technology giant known for innovation, build quality and reliability, and the evolution of the Samsung mobile phone, from flip phones and bar-style phones to the iconic Galaxy S series, launched in 2010, and later the Galaxy A series for budget-conscious consumers, has paved the way for devices like the A56, which epitomizes high-performance technology offered at a competitive price. The design of the Samsung A56 is crucial to its appeal, as it is crafted with premium build quality that not only exudes sophistication, but also ensures functionality and durability. Featuring a minimalist design with rounded edges for a comfortable grip, a glass back that adds a premium touch, and an aluminum frame that provides strength and a solid feel in hand, complemented by Gorilla Glass on both the front and back to protect against drops and scratches, all while boasting an IP68 rating that guarantees water and dust resistance, making it perfect for users who lead active lifestyles. Available in a range of attractive colors: midnight black for a sleek, professional look, Arctic blue for a cool, modern vibe, and rose gold for those who prefer a luxurious, elegant appearance. The Samsung A56 allows users to choose a device that reflects their personal style. The mini display, a standout feature of the A56, is a compact 5.7-inch screen that integrates Super AMOLED technology to deliver exceptional picture quality, with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and enhanced contrast ratios, and supports a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels, along with a 120 Hz refresh rate that ensures smooth navigation and fluid user experience, whether you're watching videos, gaming, or browsing the web. Moreover, the 7,700 mAh battery not only provides long-lasting power through extended use, but also supports 45W fast charging, enabling the device to reach 50% charge in just 30 minutes, so you're never tied down by battery limitations. Continuing Samsung's tradition of innovation, the A56 builds on previous breakthroughs, such as the Infinity Display, Super AMOLED technology, S Pen integration, and foldable screens found in devices like the Galaxy Z Flip and Galaxy Z Fold, and reaffirms Samsung's commitment to mobile photography with continuous improvements in camera technology, making the A56 a true game-changer in its segment. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive review of the Samsung A56, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive tech news and in-depth reviews. This is TechVerse, signing off.